सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। ओम नमः पाणिनिकात्यायन पतंजलिभ्यः शब्द विद्या संप्रदाय कर्तृभ्यो वंश ऋषिभ्यो महद्भ्यो मुनिभ्यो गुरुभ्यः नमस्कारः। स्वागतम् संस्कृत बंधुभ्यः प्रणयी छात्रेभ्यः प्रणयीभ्यः। तत्र भवन्तः जानन्ति एव किं पठ्यमानमस्ति अस्माभिः। विदुरनीतिशतकमिति शतं श्लोकाः पठ्यमानाः सन्ति। शतश्लोकेषु अर्धशतकं गतकक्षायामेव समाप्तमासीत्। पुनः तत्र त्रिपञ्चाशत्तम श्लोकः समाप्तः आसीत्। त्रिपञ्चाशत्तम श्लोकः गतकक्षायाम्। अस्य श्लोकस्य सम्बद्धान् श्लोकान् अपि वयं पठामः। तत्र त्रयः श्लोकाः सम्बद्धाः श्लोकाः दत्ताः सन्ति। त्रयःपञ्चाशत्तमस्य श्लोकस्य एतेषु त्रिषु सम्बद्धश्लोकेषु द्वौ श्लोकौ पठितौ गतकक्षायाम्। एकः श्लोकः अवशेषः अस्ति। सः श्लोकः अद्य पठनीयः। इतः पूर्वं किं द्वितीयश्लोकस्य सन्धिकार्याणि वयं पश्यामः। बिफोर वी गो टू दी थर्ड पोएम, रिलेटेड पोएम, I am reminded to write out the sandhi, the padacheda, for the benefit of the students. So orally we will do one Srinivas and then write out. Gunaihi uttungatam yati na uchchaihi asana samstita. That is one word. Asana samstitaha. Uchchaihi na plus uchchaihi. Then coming down to the second line, prasada shikarasthaha. Prasada shikara sthaha api, and no more sandhi. So this way you have guna sandhi, two guna sandhis, one visarga sandhi. Let's see what it is. You read, I will write out. Yes. Poem number 53. Sambandha shloka 2. Yeah, what is that? Uttungata. Yati.
Yati is the next word. Na uchchaihi. Na plus uchchaihi.
Na plus uchchaihi.
Plus asana samsthitaha.
Asana samsthitaha.
Prasada shikharasthaha.
Prasada shikarasthaha api. Over. एते सन्धयः सन्ति अस्मिन् श्लोके। द्वितीय सम्बद्धे श्लोके प्रथम सन्धिः गुणैः विसर्गसन्धिः, द्वितीय सन्धिः गुणसन्धिः न उच्चैः, तृतीय सन्धिः पुनः विसर्गसन्धिः, प्रासाद शिखरस्थो इति पूर्वरूपसन्धि. So evam sandhayah. Sandhi padacheda, you do like that. Now we go to the third sambandha shloka. May read.
Dane tapasi shauriyeva vignane vinaye naye vismayona kartavyo.
Yeah. Bahuratna
vasmanta.
Chanakya niti. Dane tapasi shauriyeva. विज्ञाने विनये नये। सर्वत्र का विभक्ति दरीदृश्यते? prominently seen vibhakti is saptami. दाने tapasi saptami, shaurye saptami, vijnane vinaye. These are all akaranta shabdas, therefore all are same except tapasi. Tapas shabda is sakaranta, as you know, like manas. Manasi tapasi. So in dana, in tapas, in shaurya, in valor, heroism, in vijnana, in knowledge, vinaya, in vinaya has several meanings: discipline, conduct, vinaya, naya. Naya is conduct, yeah, you can say. Naya is also, vinaya, naya, both are closely related except with V upasarga there. So vinaya is education, discipline, naya is conduct, policy, vismayaha is wonder, nahi kartavyaha. So here two sandhis are there. First line no sandhi, Srinivas. Vismayaha nahi kartavyaha. Vismayaha ascharyam na kartavyam. Kasmin kasmin na kartavyam? Dane vismayaha na kartavyaha, shaurye vismayaha na kartavyaha, evameva tapasi vismayaha na kartavyaha न प्रकटितव्यः, विज्ञाने विस्मये न विनये नये न कर्तव्यः, बहुरत्ना वसुंधरा, यतो हि बिकॉज इयं वसुंधरा, इयं पृथिवी, वसुम वसु वसु वसूनि वसु वसुनि वसूनि धरति इति वसुंधरा. वसु नाम वेल्थ, धनम. वसु मीन्स वेल्थ. वसु उकारांत शब्द, नपुंसकलिंग. वसु वसुनि वसूनि, मधु मधुनि मधुनि, वसूनि धरति इति वसुंधरा. दिस अर्थ is called Vasundhara, the holder of wealth. How rightly it is said, earth is the source of all the wealth. In fact, everything you can say, all the material wealth is coming from the earth. Therefore, iyam vasundhara, esha vasundhara, bahuratna asti. अस्याम वसुंधरायाम बहूनि रत्नानि सन्ति. रत्न रूपानि तत्र भूतानि सन्ति. एकस्मिन् भूते एकस्मिन् पुरुषे दानं वर्तते, अन्यस्मिन् पुरुषे तपः वर्तते, अन्यस्मिन् पुरुषे शौर्यं द्रष्टुं शक्यते, अन्यस्मिन् पुरुषे विज्ञानं विशेषतः वर्तते, अन्यस्मिन् विनयः भवति, अन्यस्मिन् नयः भवति. कदाचित् एकस्मिन्नेव पुरुषे एते सर्वे गुणाः अपि भवितुम् अर्हन्ति. अतः बहु रत्ना हि इयं वसुंधरा. दिस अर्थ इज full of gems. Gems, these are all gems. Gems like qualities and gems like people. बहुरत्ना हि वसुंधरा. विस्मयः नहि कर्तव्यः यतो हि बहुरत्ना वसुंधरा. So there are so many gems, so many gem-like people, gem-like qualities are there. Dana, tapas, shaurya, vijnana, naya, vinaya, etc. Nice poem. So only it reminds me of the poem. I often quote it. You must have heard it. Is that amantram aksharam nasti, nasti moolam anaushadham, nasti ayogyah purusho nasti, yojakas tatra durlabhaha. Like that, the sense comes here. Amantram aksharam, there is no akshara syllable which is not a mantra. Amantram aksharam na asti. There are two double negatives here. Amantram is one negative, na is another negative, making it a positive. Pratyaksharam mantram bhavati iti tatra arthaha. Amantram aksharam nasti. Nasti punaha moolam anaushadam. Anaushadam moolam na asti. Nama सर्वमपि मूलम् औषधं भवितुम् अर्हति. सर्वस्य मूलस्य कश्चन गुणः भवति, औषधसम्बन्धी गुणः भवति इति. परन्तु ये जानन्ति, यः जानाति स एव जानाति, सर्वे न जानन्ति. कस्यचित् औषधस्य को वा गुणः इति सर्वे न जानन्ति. विशेषज्ञाः एव ज्ञातुम् अर्हन्ति. तत्र अमन्त्रमक्षरं नास्ति. एवमेव प्रत्यक्षरं मन्त्रः भवितुम् अर्हति यदि प्रयोक्ता सम्यक् जानाति. प्रतिमूलम् औषधं भवितुम् अर्हति यदि योजकः तत्र जानाति. किं मूलं, कस्य रोगस्य, कं रोगं केन मूलेन चिकित्सितुं शक्यते इति. एवमेव अयोग्यः पुरुषः न अस्ति. इट्स् अ वंडरफुल पोएम, अननोन ऑथर. अयोग्यः पुरुषः न अस्ति. देयर इज नॉट अनफिट पर्सन. एवरी पर्सन हैज सम फिटनेस, सम स्किल. So what is impossible, what is rare is योजकः तत्र दुर्लभः. योजकस् तत्र दुर्लभः. The person to know these, to employ these person. In the case of the mantra, we are talking about words. If you know how to use a word like a mantra, then you are a good manager of language or the mantra shastra. If you know that what herb can be used for what purpose, remedying what disease, then you are a good Vaidya. You should know the value of the herb, you should know the value of the syllable, akshara, and you should also know the value of the person. In which person, what talent is there, you should find out and then use him for that purpose. You should be a good manager to know these things. Manager is rare. The poem says, Yojakaha. Yojakaha literally means one who can put these things to use. Employer, Yojakaha, prompter, is rare, Durlabaha. We need people who can identify skills in people and put them to work. We need people who can identify herbs, several things. So like that, Bahuratna Vasundhara. Vasundhara has all the Ratnas in it, but you should know how to find out. So what my linking is, earth is full of gems. Gems like people, gems like qualities are there. And so much wealth is there. But we should know how to tap the resource, how to use the wealth of the Mother Earth. So that is the Bahuratna Vasundhara. Anything more? We have commented more than required here. We go to Chatur चतुर्पञ्चाशत्तम श्लोकः विद्वांसः मूढैः अवमन्यन्ते. Scholars are insulted by the fools. Let us see how it is.
विद्याशील वयो वृद्धान् वृद्धि वृद्धांश्च भारत धनाभिजात वृद्धांश्च नित्यं मूढोऽवमन्यते. पदच्छेदः.
You can do that.
विद्याशील वयो वृद्धान् बुद्धि वृद्धांश्च भारत धन अभिजात वृद्धान् च नित्यं मूढः अवमन्यते.
पदच्छेद ekavachana is made. Moodha iti, moodaihi. Why it is done like that? Okay, let us see the Anvayartha. Oh, the caption is okay. Okay. I thought caption title is the same from the poem. Okay, right. Anvayartha.
मूढः विद्याशील वयो वृद्धान् बुद्धि वृद्धान् च धनाभिजात वृद्धान् च नित्यम् अवमन्यते.
One line it is full. मूढः पुरुषः मनुष्यः विद्याशील वयो वृद्धान्, विद्या वृद्धान्, शील वृद्धान्, vayo vruddhan. Instead of saying again and again, we put it into one compound word. Vidyashila vayo vruddhan. विद्यावृद्धान् शीलवृद्धान् वयोवृद्धान् विद्यावृद्धान् च शीलवृद्धान् च वयोवृद्धान् च विद्यावयो शीलवृद्धान् इति द्वन्द्व. So buddhivruddhan, so elderly people, experienced people, well-versed people in well learned people. Here Vruddha stands for experienced people. What is the Vidya Vruddha, Sheela Vruddha, Vayo Vruddha. People who are mature by education, Vidya Vruddha. Sheela Vruddha means who are rich by character. Vruddha we take that way. Vayo Vruddha means who have rich experience by way of age. And Buddhi Vruddhan, and those who are very highly intellectual. Such people are insulted by a fool. Mudaha Purushaha Vidyashila Vayo Vruddhan Buddhi Vruddhan cha Dhanabhijata Vruddhan. Not only does he insult these, but he also insults Dhana Abhijata Vruddhan. Dhana Vruddhan Abhijata Vruddhan. Kule Jatan. So people, rich people and also people born in high family. Abhijata means Kule Jatan. Vruddhancha nityam avamanyate. Kaha avamanyate? Mudaha. A fool always insults. So it's just like a statement, this poem. Means all types of good people, rich experience, rich with knowledge, rich with money, rich with birth, such people are insulted by a fool. Fool always does the same thing. So that is how the caption says, Vidvamsaha mudaihi avamanyanti. Here, there is nothing. A fool always insults those who are well versed in knowledge, have good conduct, age, everything is simple. And also people who belong to noble family, dynasty. Okay, English is also okay, Srinivas. Anything more? Bhavartha you can say. Jnanena
charitrena vayasa vruddhan pragnaya vruddhan
adhyan
abhijatan sada mudaha
avamanyate. Jnanena means with knowledge, charitrena with conduct, shilena vayasa vruddhan, we have already seen pragnaya vruddhan, adhyan, dhanikan. Adhya means dhanika. Dhanikan, abhijatan, kule jatan, abhijatan sada mudaha avamanyate. The fool always insults these people. Ete sarvepi sada pujaniyaha. So the Bhavartha says, all these people are always to be respected. Ete sarvepi sada pujaniyaha natu avamananiyaha iti bhava. These people always need to be respected, not disrespected. Avamananiyaha na iti. So sarlarthaha. So we may go to the Sambandha Sloka, 2+1 quotation, one offline.
Dahyamanaha sati vrena nichaha parayashognina ashaktastattadam bhuttam gantum tato nindam prakurvate.
This is a beautiful poem actually. Dahyamanaha sutivrena Nichaha parayashognina ashaktastatpadam gantum tato nindam prakurvati. What is saying, Srinivas? Sorry. Dahyamanaha sutivrena. Ke dahyamanaha bhavanti. Who are the people who are feeling burnt all the time? Burning themselves. Dahyamanaha sutivrena. They are being burnt by what? Sutivrena, by an intense para yasho agnina. Paresham yasho kirti rupa agnina. Paresham anyesham yasho agnina. सुतीव्रेण यशो अग्निना दह्यमानाः. We are talking about modhas here, nichas, modha, nicha here in this. Nicha, the low people are those people who get burnt by the fame of others, who get burnt by the intense fire of fame, by the intense fire of fame. Yasho Rupi Agni. Agni is here not physical Agni. Agni in the form of fame, Kirti. Kirti Rupi. So, Yasho Agnina. Para nama itara. Anya. Anyesham Uttamanam Yasho Tivra Sutivrena Yasho Agnina. So, this is adjectival to this. Sutivrena Parayasho Agnina Dahyamanaha Nichaha. That is the Anvayartha. Sutivrena Parayasho Agnina Dahyamanaha Nichaha. What kind of Nicha? What kind of low people? Low people who are being burnt by an intense fire of others' fame. Why do they feel burnt by others' fame? The line second is Ashaktaha, because they are incapable. Nashaktaha, Ashaktaha, Asamarthaha. Tat padam gantum, to reach that high position of fame. Tat padam gantum ashaktaha. Kim padam gantum? Tat padam, yat padam, yasho padam. Tat padam nama kirti padam. Kirtehe padam, yashasaha padam. Tat yashasaha padam gantum ashaktaha nichaha. Because they cannot reach that point of fame, so they feel burnt. You can't do it. You can't achieve it, so you feel jealous. That jealousy is like a fire. Very wonderful. Jealousy is like fire. It burns you, not the person who has achieved something in life. Achiever is not burnt here. The people who cannot tolerate somebody's achievement, they are being burnt here. Ashaktaha tat padam gantum tataha. Then, so because they can't reach that position, tataha, therefore, nindam prakurvate. They always do the criticism. They always blame others who achieve. They blame the achievers. They blame the people who have got to the highest positions in life. Tat padam. Tat padam. Is it clear?
Yes.
So once again, Sutivrena Parayasho Agnina, Paresham Yasho Agnina, Parayasho Agnina, Sutivrena, with an intense fire of others' fame, Dahyamanaha, being burnt. This is a Shatru Pratyanta, Srinivas. Dahyamanaha, being burnt. Dahyamanaha Nichaha. Kimartam Dahyamanaha? Dahyamanaha Nichaha Bhavanti. Understood. Low people are being burnt with the intense fire of others' fame. Why? Because Ashaktaha tat padam gantum. Asamartaha tat padam gantum. Tat yashasaha padam gantum ashaktaha nichaha tataha. Therefore, thereafter what do? Tataha, thereafter what do? Nindam prakurvate. Nindam kurvanti. Tesham nindam kurvanti. Ashaktaha. So incapable fellows only criticize the achievers. That is what it is. Because they feel burnt down by the fame. Nice poem. I like this poem. Here grammatically, Dahyamana, as I said, Shatru Pratyanta. Suti Urena is adjective for Agnina. Agnina is Tritiya. Suti Urena is also Tritiya. Got it? Nichaha is the subject here. Nichaha, Nichau, Nichaha. Ashaktaha is also an adjective for Nichaha. Ashaktaha, Nichaha. Tat padam tesham padam gantum. Tataha, thereafter, nindam prakurvate. Prakurvate is Atmane pada kru dhatu. otherwise nindam kurvanti.
Gantum tumun.
Yes, gantum is tumunanta, tato is avyaya. Tataha, thereafter.
Second, sir.
Again Chanakya. Nice. Oh, all are Chanakya.
न दुर्जनः सुधु दशां साधु दशां
उपैति
बहुप्रकारैरपि
शिक्ष्यमाणः
अमूलसिक्तः
पयसा घृतेन
न निम्बवृक्षो मधुरत्वमेति.
So Chanakya Niti says, na durjanah sadhu dashamupayiti. Durjanah, anvayartha, durjanah bahuprakaraihi api shikshamanah, bahuprakaraihi shikshamanah api. See the order. Durjanah, first word, anvayartha. Durjanah, second word, bahuprakaraihi. Third word, shikshyamanaha. Api, fourth word. Durjanaha bahuprakaraihi shikshyamanaha api. Sadhu dasham, fifth word. Na is sixth word, and the verb comes upaiti, seventh word. Is it clear, Srinivas? Shall I repeat? Durjanaha bahuprakaraihi shikshyamanaha api sadhu dasham na upaiti. So you take this subject first and the verb last to put it in an order, prose order. Durjanaha na upaiti, that is the main sentence. Na upaiti, does not get, does not reach. Durjanaha kim na upaiti, sadhu dasham na upaiti. He does not achieve, he does not get the condition of goodness, the status of goodness. Sadhu dasham na upaiti na prapnoti. Upaiti nama na prapnoti, na adhigacchati, na labati. Durjanaha sadhu dasham sadhu gatim na labati. Khatam na labati, how does he not get? Bahuprakaraihi shikshyamanaha api. Even though he is being coached, trained, educated by several methods. Bahuprakaraihi shikshyamanaha api na sadhu dasham upaiti. He does not reach the level of goodness in spite of being trained, educated by various means. Like what, you may say? He is giving example. Amula siktaha payasa ghrutena. You take a nimba vriksha, a neem tree, and drench it, totally drench it with amula siktaha, right from the root level to the top level. Drench it with payasa, with milk, and also ghrutena, with clarified butter, ghee. Even if a neem tree is drenched, completely drenched with milk and ghee, what he says, na nimba vrikshaha, that neem tree, madhuratvameti, does not become sweet. Neem tree can never become sweet, though it is drenched in ghee and milk, totally. Though it is totally drenched in this. Like that, a durjana, a nicha purusha, in spite of being trained, educated by several methods, he remains the same. That is what he says here. Durjana, because durjana prakriti is like that. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Amula sikta means right from the root level. Amula, mulat siktaha. Siktaha means, actually siktaha means wet, making wet, but I am saying drenching. Drenching may not be, yes. Though it is wetted right from its root level with milk and ghee. Payasa, dugdhena, ghrutena, even with clarified butter. Na nimba vrikshaha madhuratvameti. निम्बवृक्षः माधुर्यं न मधुरतां न उपैति. If you use the same word, madhuratam na upayiti. Madhuratvam eti. Eti nama upayiti. Upayiti gacchati. Madhuratvam na gacchati. A neem tree can never become sweet tree in spite of given a coating of milk and ghee. That is what. Anything more? Shabdas, if you look, payasa, you know, Trutiya Ekavachana, payas, manasa, Ghruta Shabda, you know, Ghrutam, Napumsaka, Akaranta, Ghrutam, Ghrute, Ghrutani, Ghrutena Trutiya. Nimba Vriksha is Nimba Vriksha, lemon tree. I'm sorry, neem tree, I said lemon tree. Madhuratvam, this is a neuter noun, Madhuratvam plus eti, eti gacchati. Madhuratvam eti gacchati, na gacchati, na madhuratvam eti. Nimba vrikshaha na madhuratvam eti. Similarly, in the first line, Durjanaha na upaiti. Shall we do this sandhi? Very simple sandhi. Sadhu dasham plus upaiti, Srinivas. Sadhu dasham plus upaiti. Very simple sandhi. One more. Bahu prakaraihi api visarga sandhi. Very simple. Prakaraihi plus api. Shikshamanaha. Being taught. This is a passive construction. Shikshamanaha. Also you can say karmani shanach. Shikshamanaha. Namula siktaha. Siktaha is a tanta prayoga. Sicha dhatu, sinchati, sechana. We generally say vriksha sechana, watering the plants. So here we are not watering, na? So I said drench. Amula siktaha, though it is drenched, drenching is same thing. Wetted with these things. Na nimba vrikshaha madhuratvam eti. Madhuratvam eti. That means a Durjana is like that. Next line you can read.
Murkhanam panditadveshya adhananam mahadhanaah.
So one line is there. Murkhanam panditaah dveshyaah visarga lopa. Visarga is there and you break it. Panditaah dveshyaah adhananam mahadhanaah dveshyaah bhavanti. Understood? Adhananam nirdhananam महाधनाः द्वेष्याः भवन्ति यथा मूर्खाणां पंडिताः द्वेष्याः भवन्ति तथा अधनानां निर्धनानां धनिकाः निर्धनानां महाधनाः highly rich people महाधनाः धनिकाः द्वेष्याः भवन्ति. So people, that is what natural, that fools hate scholars. Poor people hate the rich people. Dvesha means hating. So here, Panditaha Dveshyaha Bhavanti. Scholars become hated. They come to be hated. They become hated to whom? Murkanam. To the fools. Similarly, Adhananam Vishaye Mahadhanaha Dveshyaha Bhavanti. Dveshyaha means they come to be hated. So, in other words, put it in simple, straight, Murkhaha Panditan Dvishanti, Adhanaha Mahadhanan Dvishanti. They hate.
Dveshi is Ikaranta?
This is Dveshya Prayoga. Dveshya means to be hated. This is Yat Prayoga. Like Tavya, Kartavya, Karya, Karaniya, like we have. So one such prayoga, this is to be hated, dveshya. Or to be hated means they hate.
But there is no word like dveshi. Dveshi is not something.
Dveshin you mean? Dveshi. Maybe there. Dveshi. Dvesta. Dvestru is there. Dvesta. Dvestru. Dvesta. Hater. Hater. Okay, that is. Sapta, yes, Sapta Shriyah Samidaha. Sapta Shriyah, Sapta Samidaha. Shriyah Samidaha. Sapta Shriyah Samidaha. 7 are the sticks of or the fuel of fortune. Samida means fuel here. There are 7 ways of fortune, maybe. That is what he is going to tell us. Vidura? Yeah, read.
Dhrutihi shamo damaha shaucham karunyam vaganishthura mitranam chanavidroha saptaitaha samidaha shriyaha.
Dhrutihi, yeah, I can do very simple. Shamaha, Damaha, Shaucham, Karunyam, Vak, Anisthura, Cha, Anabidroha, So, Sapta Etaha, Samidaha. Samid Shabda is Strilinga Shabda. Samid, Samidhau, Samidaha. Dakaran. Samid, Samidhau, Samidaha. Therefore, the pronoun that is used here, Etat pronoun, is Strilinga. Etaha. Etaha and Strilinga. Because Samid Shabda is Strilinga, Etaha Sapta Samidaha Shriyaha. Shriyaha Sapta Samidaha. These are the 7 contributing factors, like in our language, but fueling sticks of fortune. What is he saying? Virtues. Here, translator also, these 7 virtues lead towards prosperity. They are virtues, but they are called Samida here. AIDS, Samida could be AIDS. Yeah.
Dhrutihi shamaha damaha shaucham karunyam
Anisthurava
mitranam cha anabidroha etaha sapta shriyaha samidaha.
So, Dhrutihi, we have already come across this word several times. Dhruti, courage, firmness. Dhruti, but patience. This book is using the word patience. I would take it as courage, is more better. Because Dhruti Shabda has several meanings as such. Dhruti has fortitude, courage, delight, joy, like that. Anyway, Dhrutihi Shamaha, we know. Mano Nigraha. And Damaha is Indriya Nigraha. Shaucham, so cleanliness. Karunyam, compassion. Anisthura Vak, unkind words. Anisthura Vak, unkind words. Sorry, kind words. This is negative. Sometimes translating we go missing. So, Nishtura Vak I said, but Anisthura Vak means kind words. And then Mitranam cha Anabhidroha. And what do you say? Anabhidroha is not enmity, rather Anabhidroha you can take it as cruelty, not being cruel to friends. Anabhidroha. Or any unharm to friends. Abhidroha is injuring actually, Srinivas. Abhidroha means injuring, harming. So Mitranam Adroha, Akrauryam, uncruelty towards friends. In other words, kindness towards friends. So Mitranam Anavidroha, Etaha, these are Sapta Samidaha Shriyaha Santi. Shriyaha Samidaha Santi is understood. These are the 7. We can say this Samida, although Samida means that stick. Samida is the stick, fire stick used in the yajna. But here, these are the 7 contributing factors, we can say. These are the 7 contributing factors of riches. Yes, that Shriya, fortune. If one wants to have fortune, then one should have all these 7,
Tools.
you can say contributing factor, tools also you can say. Yeah, upakaranani. Ete, etani sapta upakaranani bhavanti. Shriyaha praptaye. Etani sapta upakaranani bhavanti. Sapta sopanani bhavanti. Sopana instruments, upakaranani is the best thing. So simply dhrutihi, you can read bhavartana.
Agnehe
samvardhanaya
yatha samidah santi tathaiva gunasampadah
samvardhanaya
dhairyam
shanti indriya
शुचिः
karuna
मधुरा वाक् दृढमैत्री मित्राणाम् अद्रोहः इति सप्तसमिदः सन्ति.
That is what he says. Agnehe samvardhanaya yatha samidah santi. For blazing the fire, for blazing of the kindling the fire, as sticks are necessary, are there. Tathaiva, similarly, guna sampadaha samvardhanaya, for increasing the fortune, guna sampada, fortune of merit, or otherwise what the text says, Shriyaha means fortune, guna sampada, samvardhanaya, for increasing that. These 7 things are necessary, 7 fuel-like things, like dhairyam. That is, dhruti is dhairyam only. And why patience, the English word, patience need not be used. Courage, shantihi, then that peace, indriya jayaha, then control of the senses, suchihi, cleanliness, karuna, compassion, madhura, vak, kind words, dhrudha maitri, firm friendship, a friendship where there is no cruelty or harm done to the friends. Iti sapta samidaha santi. So I would only, I am not very happy with the patience word in the translation. Those who want, you can replace that, you can say courage. And soft voice, this is also not good. Madhura vak anishtara, kind words. Better it is kind words, not soft voice. Enmity word also I am not very comfortable. You can change it to kindness towards friends. Enmity. The rest is okay. Any grammatical? Nothing. Shamadama shaucham karunyam vak anisthura vak. Anisthura is adjective for vak shabda. Vak is strilinga. Therefore anisthura, anisthura vak. Mitranam cha anabhidroha. Abhidroha, as I said, injuring. Anabhidroha, not injury. Non-injury, uncruelty, kindness. Sapta plus etaha. There is one sandhi which is vruddhi sandhi. Sapta plus etaha, Srinivas. Sapta etaha. This is vruddhi sandhi, which we may do also in the exercises coming. Samidaha, as you have noted just now, samid, samidhau, samidaha. This is Strilinga Shabda. Strilinga, it is Strilinga. It is Strilinga, therefore etaha. That is why he said etaha sapta samidaha. Bahuvachana. Shriyaha. Shri Shabda, Shashti, Ekavachana. Shriyaha. Shriyaha, Shashti. Shriyaha, Samidaha. Right. Sambandhau slokau, correctly given. First time. Not first time, after a long time.
अभिसंवादकः दक्षः कृतज्ञः मतिमान् ऋजुः अतिसंशीलकोशोऽपि लभते परिवारणम्.
Again Vidraniti, this is Abhisamvadakaha Dakshaha Kritagnaha Matiman Rujuhu Ati Sankshina Koshaha Api Ati Sankshina Koshaha Api Labate Parivaranam. So there are 5 qualities described in the first line. Pancha gunaha tatra vanitaha santi prathama pankto Srinivas. Kidrushaha te gunaha Avisamvadakaha. One who does not cheat, one who is not a cheater, one who is not given to cheating. The word Visamvadin means one who breaks his word. One who breaks one's word is called Visamvadin. Avisamvadin is one who does not break his word. Word is promise, who does not break his promise. So, a straightforward, a good gentleman, you can say. One who does not cheat. Gentleman, that's all in our language. One who is not a deceiver, non-deceiver, if we can say Abhisamvada. A true person. If you further condense, if you further want to say another word describes, a true person who lives up to his word, isn't it? One who does not break his word. Avisamvadakaha, that is. Then Dakshaha, a capable person. Samarthaha, Dakshaha nama Samarthaha. Kritagnaha, one who is very, what do you call Kritagnaha? Grateful person. Kritam janati, we have already seen the derivation of this word some time back. Kritam janati iti kritagnaha. Opposite word is kritagnaha, like Shatrughna. There it means Kritam hanti iti kritagnaha, one who breaks what is done to him, one who breaks, the one who spoils or destroys the good done to him is called Kritagna, traitor. Opposite of this Kritagnaha is Kritagnaha, which means traitor. Kritagna means grateful person. Kritagnaha, Matiman, any intelligent person. Rujuhu, straightforward person. Rujuhu, straightforward. So if one is of these qualities, if a person is of having these qualities, like being very good, keeping up his word, capable, being very grateful and very intelligent and very straightforward. Okay? One who is like this, Atisankshina koshaha api, even though his monetary status, his economic status is gone to dogs. Atikshina koshaha api, dhana rashi api. Even if his monetary position has gone down to the zenith, not zenith, nadir, I am using, zenith means topmost, whose position has gone down totally, economic position, even the one who is economically bankrupt, totally bankrupt, you can say. Labhate parivaranam, such people, such a person gets his followers, his fans, or his parivara means here sevaka janam. Such a person will not be left by his erstwhile, his previous followers or people, sevaka. Parivaranam is the same thing as parivara shabda, Srinivas. Retinue, followers or attendants. This is Napumsakalinga, parivaranam. So, tadrushaha purushaha etaihi rahita ete gunaihi samyuktaha yuktaha purushaha यदि धनरीत्या धनदृशा अतिसंक्षीण कोशः यस्य कोशः धनकोशः अत्यन्तं क्षीणः अभवत् तादृश पुरुषः क्षीणदशायामपि सः परिवारणं लभते. He gets his followers, but it means he will be treated well by his followers and attendants. Atisankshina koshopi dhana rahitopi. Atisankshina koshopi dhana rahitopi parivaranam, parivaranam means parivaram, sevaka janam, sevaka ganam, sevaka janam, labhati prapnoti. So what the poem tries to say, that you should have these qualities. You should not be a traitor, you should not break your promise, you should be very capable, and you should be intelligent, and you should be a straightforward person. Supposing you get into loss, you will not lose people, you may lose property. Sorry, you may lose property but not people. What Adi Shankara that Bhajagovinda says in this regard, Yavat vittoparjana saktaha tavan nija parivaro raktaha. Yavat, as long as man is capable, dakshaha, yavat purushaha vitta uparjane dakshaha bhavati, same word I am using, dakshaha, saktaha bhavati, when as long as he is capable and able to make money, tavat, so long, nija parivaro raktaha, his own family members are interested in him. Paschat jivati jarjara dehe, afterwards when he is living in old age, jarjara dehe, yada ayam idam shariram jarjaram bhavati, jarjara dehe yada jivati, jivatma, vartam na pruchhati, kopi gehe, gehe gruhe, in his own home, where he was earlier very much resorted to by family members when he was earning. Once his earning stopped, no pension is coming, imagine. So once his earning is stopped, so same people, nija parivara, vartam na pruchhati kopi gehe, nobody asks him, how are you? Are you there or are you dead? Nobody is worried about you because you have stopped earning money. So what Shankaracharya is trying to impress on, all our relations are money centered. You give something to somebody, because every relation is money centered. The moment you stop giving, you will be not liked, you will not be addressed also in your own home. Vartam na pruchhati kopi gehe, na kahapi gehe gruhe swagruhe vartamapi na pruchhati. Katamasti bhavan iti na pruchhati. So something like that here. But this is a little more than that. When you are not in a position to totally bankrupt, even then you will be liked by people, provided you have these qualities, he says, Chanakya. Next, Vidura says.
Yajnodana madhyayanam tapascha
Chatvaryetanyanvetani sadbihi Damaha satyamarjavamanushamsyam Manushamsyam Chatvaryetanyanuyanti. Here I have to use board Srinivas for you and for all the Chatvaryetanyanuyanti santaha. But I have one correction, I think I should make it. And the last word, I don't have this text Chanakya Niti to check up. Is it santaha? It should be sataha. A better reading would be sataha. Why, I will tell you. So let us go to the first two lines. Yagnaha padachedam danam adhyenam tapaha cha chatvari. Here you break chatvari plus etani plus anvetani sadbihi satpurushaihi sajjanaihi etani chatvari anvetani means these four things are to be followed by good people. Sadbihi satpurushaihi sajjanaihi etani chatvari अन्वेतव्यानि are to be followed. अन्वेतानि नाम अनुसरणीयानि अनुसरणीयानि कानि तानि चत्वारि यशः इति यज्ञः इति एकं दानमिति द्वितीयम् अध्ययनमिति तृतीयं तपश्च इति चतुर्थम् एतानि चत्वारि तत्र चत्वारि एतानि अन्वेतानि सद्भिः अनु ई अन्वे means to follow Srinivas. Anu plus e, that is different. Anu e anvetani to be followed. Okay, next half we come to that. Damaha satyam arjavam anushamsyam. Damaha, you know what is damaha? Indriya nigraha. Satyam, truthfulness. Arjavam, straightforwardness. Rujoho marga bhava arjava. So arjavam, straightforwardness. Anushamsyam, kindness. Na nushamsyam, anushamsyam, kindness. Daya. Anushamsyam nama daya. So four qualities in the first half, four qualities must be followed by good people. So what he wants to say that four qualities must be followed by good people, and four qualities automatically follow them. What is he saying in the second half of the poem? If you follow the four, good people follow the four, above four, the below four automatically follow the good people. For that, I think the santaha is not suitable. Sataha it should be there. San. So what are the four qualities which follow? Damaha, Satyam, Arjavam, Anushamsyam, Chatvari again. Chatvari etani. Anvetani na. What is used there? Verb. Anvetani is there. Here, Anuyanti, they follow. Follow whom? The good people. Santaha is used here. That is, I think, not correct. These four follow whom? The good people. So the good people should be Dvitiya Bahuvachana. Santaha Prathama Bahuvachana is given. Maybe a simple mistake. Sataha. San, Santau, Santaha. Satchabda. San, Santau, Santaha, Santam, Santau, Sataha. Sata, Sadbhyam, Sadbihi. Sadbihi is there, Trutiya. Sata, Sadbhyam, Sadbihi. So we go Sadbihi, Trutiya Bahuvachan to Dvitiya Bahuvachan, Sataha. So this Santaha, only Na, that Nakara should be taken out here. Then it becomes okay. Anuyanti, that I will write. Sandhis will write. You read, I will write.
Yeah.
Where is the duster? Poem number?
65. Second.
Read.
Yajnaha, this means Dhanam plus Adhyayanam.
This is very simple.
Yes.
Adhyayanam.
Separately Tapaha plus Cha. It is not separate. Tapaha plus Cha. Chatvari.
Oh, here is.
Etani. Plus Anvetani. Sadhi, there is no Sadhi. Damaha is already given. Satyam plus Arjava
Again simple joining arjavam.
This anushamsyam. This anushamsyam.
That means daya. I am writing a bracket here.
Then chatvari plus etani. Plus anuyanti.
So we do the correction here. Small printing error it could be. Santah, not satah.
Yajnah danam plus adhyayanam tapah pischa chatvari plus etani plus anuyatani.
Now chatvari plus etani, that is e plus yanadesha sandhi. Again yanadesha sandhi. Chatvari etanyanvetani. Two ways yanadesha sandhi. This is not a simple sandhi. Satyam arjavam. Again simple sandhi joining, ma joining in that, akara joining into makara. Again chatvari etani is yanadesha. Again yanadesha. So yanadesha sandhi is prominently seen here. Yan sandhi or yanadesha sandhi. Very is there. So anuyanti. Anuyanti means follow. Anvetani means to be followed. Anuyati, anuyataha, anuyanti. Anugachanti, anuyanti nama anugachanti. Etani chatvari satah satpurushan, satah nama satpurushan anugachanti, sajjanan anugachanti. Yadi sajjanaihi sadbihi upari uktani chatvari ye gunaha tatra varnitaha santi चत्वारः गुणाः यदि ते चत्वारः गुणाः सद्भिः सज्जनैः सत्पुरुषैः अन्वेताः भवन्ति अथवा अन्वेतानि भवन्ति तर्हि ये एतानि चत्वारि स्वयं अनुयान्ति अनुगच्छन्ति स्वयमेव अनुगच्छन्ति सत्पुरुषान् इति. So you follow four will follow you. Nice way of saying. अत्र समयः अस्ति समाप्तः. पुनर्मिलामः. शुभं भूयात्.